company founded on a promise to never profit from artificial intelligence, is now worth $852 billion. The man who wrote that promise is in court trying to tear the whole thing down. His name is Elon Musk, and this week he took the witness stand against the organization he helped create. What happens next could reshape who controls the most powerful technology ever built. It starts in 2015, when Musk and Sam Altman agreed on something deeply unusual for Silicon Valley. They would build the world's most advanced AI lab, and it would never belong to anyone. The founding documents were explicit. OpenAI was a nonprofit, its research would be open to the public, and any profits it generated would be capped and returned to humanity. Musk put in roughly $48 million and believed he was funding a mission, not a company. Then the pressure of competing with Google and Microsoft changed the math entirely. By 2019, OpenAI had quietly created a for-profit subsidiary. By 2025, a full restructuring left the original nonprofit holding just 26% of a company worth $852 billion. What began as a bet against big tech had become the thing it set out to fight. The nonprofit that was supposed to own everything now holds just over a quarter of it. That shift from mission to minority stake is the number at the center of this entire case. Musk filed his lawsuit in 2024, and what he is asking for is extraordinary. He wants $130 billion in damages, the removal of Sam Altman and Greg Brockman from the board, and a court order forcing OpenAI back into its nonprofit structure. OpenAI's defense is equally pointed. Argue Musk was never genuinely committed to the nonprofit model, that he pushed to take personal control of the company before walking away, and that this lawsuit is competitive warfare from the founder of a rival AI company called xAI. The courtroom itself became a theater. Musk sparred openly with OpenAI's attorney William Savitt, accusing him of asking questions that were definitionally complex and designed to trick him. Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers had to intervene multiple times to keep the proceedings moving. The 9-person jury advising her will help decide whether $130 billion and the future structure of OpenAI changes hands. Musk has not been subtle about what he believes happened. Under cross-examination, he told the court something that cuts to the center of this entire case. If Musk wins, OpenAI faces restructuring that could freeze its growth, remove its leadership, and force it to operate under nonprofit rules at a moment when it is locked in a global AI race. If OpenAI wins, courts will have established that a nonprofit can pivot to a trillion-dollar corporation without consequence as long as the original paperwork was vague enough. Neither outcome is clean. The deeper question is one that no courtroom is really designed to answer: who should own artificial intelligence? A foundation, a corporation, a government? The people who use it every day? Right now the answer is whoever has the best lawyers, and that is the part that should concern everyone. Musk helped build OpenAI, and then Altman stayed and turned it into the most valuable AI company on Earth. Whether that was a betrayal of the founding mission or just what had to happen to survive, a federal judge in Oakland is about to decide. This is the first serious legal attempt to put guardrails around artificial intelligence, and it will not be the last. That's your patch log. Subscribe for more.